Hello and welcome to the Recipes for Agile Governance in the Enterprise, the RAGE Framework course. In this presentation, we will discover what is a governance. Then we will see its different levels, followed with an explanation of the RAGE framework, and then we will go deeper in the portfolio level, the program level, and finally the project level. Now, let's see what is a governance. The term governance refers to a formalized set of meetings and practices whose purpose is to ensure that the right decisions are made about what deliverables to produce and how to produce them effectively. Governance becomes complicated from large enterprises which may contain multiple business units and multiple development processes. Thus, we will look at how governance can be conducted effectively for agile and hybrid processes in a large company that develops software applications. So now let's explore the levels of governance. In fact, the Project Management Institute defines three primary levels of granularity for the work of an organization: portfolio, program, and project, which are applicable to the governance of an agile world. First of all, we have the portfolio level. The portfolio level is a collection of projects or programs and other work that are grouped together to facilitate effective management of that work in order to meet strategic business objectives. It also aims to make investment decisions and planning, making decisions about what initiatives to execute or fund, and making decisions about whether or how to continue work on initiatives that are already in progress. The second level is the program level. It aims to provide cross-team decisions and planning. It is comprised of multiple related projects that are initiated during the program's life cycle and are managed in a coordinated fashion. Finally, we have the project level. In this level, there is the team decisions and the planning, and it is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. In fact, the primary objective of RAGE is for allowing quick decisions in according to lightweight artifacts created using minimum work and can be employed in any process, including agile, hybrid, and the plan-driven, for example, the waterfall. The RAGE demonstrates the way in which the accomplishment of agile governance is possible via the definition and utilization of a set of standardized elements such as metrics, artifacts, roles, ceremonies, as well as governance points at the different levels of an organization. Now, let's go deeper with the portfolio level. The portfolio level refers to the development and management of business initiatives that lead to program and project level work. The roles needed in this level are the portfolio owner that select and set priorities of initiative and review business cases developed by area product owners. Also, we find the area product owner, which provide overall guidance about requirements, develop business case for product releases, and provide ongoing guidance to team product owners regarding cross-team priorities and trade-offs. Finally, there is the program manager. He identifies cross-team dependencies and ensures that are handled during execution. He works closely with teams' scrum masters or project managers to ensure cross-team collaboration. He also monitors the progress of the product release. For the ceremonies, we find the portfolio grooming meeting that refers to the process of developing a business case. While the area product owner is responsible for this development, the artifact itself evolves through stages. In the portfolio grooming process, the area product owner completes a first draft of the business case and then holds an initial portfolio grooming meeting. This meeting typically includes the area product owner and relevant team product owners and program managers. Attendees provide their insights regarding clarity and content, which may lead to revision of the business case. Also, there is the portfolio planning meeting. The portfolio owner commonly facilitates this meeting, as well as providing the final decision regarding proposed or in-process initiatives. Area product owners must have provided their business cases, including value and effort estimates, prior to this meeting, and the portfolio owner will have incorporated this information into a decision matrix for review in the meeting. In this meeting, area product owners describe their business cases and members discuss each initiative to improve their understanding. The discussions may lead to revisions of value estimates, in which case the portfolio owner updates the decision matrix accordingly. Now let's discover the artifacts. First of all, there is the business case, which is a description of an initiative or project. The initiative should comprise a well-defined set of deliverables, which the business case describes at a summary level. The business case also includes high-level estimates for the business value provided by the initiative and the effort required to implement the initiative. The second artifact is the Agile Charter. It is a document that contains a product vision, which is a paragraph summarizing what the product initiative is, a mission statement, which is a paragraph summarizing what the organization or enterprise will do with the product, and a success criteria, which is a quantitative metrics about revenue. The third artifact is the decision matrix. It computes a priority value as the ratio of weighted sum of value-related factors to the effort required to implement the initiative. Finally, there is the portfolio backlog, which is the set of initiatives that have been defined to some extent and for which implementation has not yet begun. Now, let's explore the program level. In fact, the program level refers to the collaboration between teams, and the focus of this Agile program governance is to ensure the successful delivery of products on scheduled release dates. For the roles, we find the area product owner and the program manager in the business unit, which have been already defined in the portfolio level. However, to provide across business units collaboration, we need other roles, which are the release manager, which is responsible for the complete production deployment process. He facilitates the internal production stand-up meeting and also provides guidance to release managers and production operations team members regarding cross-application issues. There is also the production manager that facilitates the handoff of applications from a specific set of business units. And finally, there is the production operations team that is responsible for deploying applications to the staging and production environment. Now, for the ceremonies, we find the release planning meeting, which is facilitated by a program manager and conducted by the team that must collaborate. The Scrum of Scrums meeting, facilitated by a program manager and attended by one or two people from each team. The release review. At the end of the release cycle, the area product owner and the team product owner meet to confirm the product quality and business value justify releasing the deliverables developed by the project team. Now, to provide collaboration across business units, we need the release handoff process. Each production manager will have up to 4 of these meetings with different set of peoples. The logistical issues are simplified somewhat by having at each of these meetings the area product owners and the program managers associated with a linked set of applications whose deployment must be done as a set. For the staging readiness review meeting, the release manager meets with the production managers responsible for the readiness of the applications and relevant members of the production operations team. They discuss the readiness of the applications and environments and either confirm that the criteria have been met. The production readiness review meeting. It occurs after the completion of application deployment and testing in the staging environment. Its purpose is to confirm that the production entrance criteria have been met before the start of the production deployment process. Then we have the production stand-up meeting. This semi-weekly meeting of the production managers is facilitated by the release manager. It focuses on cross-application deployment issues. Finally, we have the production deployment validation. The release manager gives a go or no-go decision based on the test results. The artifacts of the program level are the definition of done for the release, which includes policies around acceptance, quality, and business value. In fact, if the release content does not satisfy the definition of done, the product cannot be released. Also, there is the release plan. The primary planning artifact at the program level is the release plan, which is commonly produced in a release planning meeting. Let's go now to the project level. The processes of interest in this level are Scrum and Kanban. In fact, the project level refers to the work of a single team. For the roles here, we find the Scrum Master or the Project Manager, the Team Product Owner, and the team. For the ceremonies, we have the refinement of product backlog, the sprint planning meeting, the daily Scrum, the sprint review, and the sprint retrospective. Finally, we have the artifacts, which are the definition of done, stories and epics, product backlog, and sprint backlog. So thank you for your attention and goodbye.